Good morning, scrappers and scrapettes. Yes, I have lady subscribers that have wished me well. That feels good. Yes, we are on the hunt again today. Yes, we are. Like always, we got to get it done. Get it out of the garbage and into the truck. The truck is empty. Hope everybody's feeling good. It is 52 degrees out here. 6:46. So let's get it. As soon as I get something, you'll be the first to know. Point it out. I'll grab it. Just point it out. All right? So good morning, buenos dias, and guten tag. We'll see you in a few. Stop. Oh my goodness, on one of these. It's gonna take up a lot of space. All right, well, it don't matter. Has to come with us. I'll fix it in the truck. You know what? Let's stand it up right now. Give me a minute. In the truck. Let's go. Got some metal here. Metal is metal. Remember that. Excuse me. Somebody get in there. Jeez. All right. Let's continue. Something else here. We got us a coffee pot. All right. Let's start cutting cords. Oops. Vacuum here. What is this? No, we got a vacuum. Let's cut the cord. None of these twist on me. I don't know. Some of them do, but some of them don't. We're gonna fix this in a few minutes because I only want to do it once today. I don't want to take everything out and put everything back in. Got us a fire pit here. I'm gonna see. Let's stack this up right now. There. Let's continue. More poles here. Metal pole. No cans. Ain't no cans yet. Alright. Metal pole it is. I like boxes. Let's see what we got in this box. Ooh, nice craftsman box. Let's see, is it cracked? No, it's not cracked. It's good. Yes. We got a chair in the garbage. Metal chair in the garbage. And a tree. Heavy tree. All right. We got some extruded aluminum here. Good aluminum. All right. Something else here. Good morning. Got a little mopper. A mopper. All right. There we go. One more for the pile. A blacktop grill or something here. Some kind of grill. Let's get the grill. Did they put the top part in here? Nope. All right, let's get the grill. We got it all stacked. Let's continue. Got it here in the garbage. There we go. Shit. TV. Unreal. TV and a soda. A canopy too. Let's see if we can put it in that little corner right there. Should be able to go. Oh my goodness. Let's get up in here. Ah. Yeah, it should go. Let's go. Got an air blower backpack. Air blower backpack. Let's go. See some more stuff here. I don't know what this is, but it's metal. Let's put it right in here. I'll fit it right in there. And this. Well, it's for the water hose reel. Alright. Well, a couple of suckers. No, those are the mops. Alright. A couple of suckers of this. A couple of suckers and a cord. And a can. How about a can? Let's get a can. You know, I want to talk so loud because my wife says I'm naturally loud. And it doesn't bother me, but I want to talk normal. But since it's early, you know, and not everybody will. I don't know. I like to respect everyone's opinion, everybody. I don't want to talk loud and not be obnoxious, because I don't think I'm obnoxious. But I just like talking normal. And I don't know. I guess in a little bit. How's that? In a little bit, we'll start talking a little louder. People start looking at us like we're crazy. Another chair. All right, let's go. Let's start piling it up. All right, see you in a few. All right, we got a couple of cans and an aluminum stand. Something here. Metal. Right in there. We got a reef, metal reef, and some lights. What's that down there? No. Alright, and some lights. A couple of things here. Another mop. More Christmas lights. We don't want that. We don't need that. Alright. That goes in there. That goes in there. We got another coffee maker. It's got the cord. Cut the cord on this. Push it on down the road. Something else here. Oh. Wow. Another bag. Let's get that. Piece of metal. This is another bag. What do you have in here? Boomerang? Sorry. Goes back in the garbage. Something else here. Alright. Bed frame here. Let's close it up and put it in the truck. We're almost at the end of the route. Hasn't been much, but yeah. Hey, there's always something. Let's call it like that. That's always something. That'll go to my friend, my neighbor, the one that's fixing the trailer, putting the rear wheel on it, the rear gate. Scrappers, we are done. That's it. Not much on the curve side, but hey, there's something that's on here. So yeah. And at the same time, we picked up some goodies. We got a TV, a Husky bag, another bag with some tools in it. I don't know what that is, but we'll take a look at it with screwdriver. I mean, what else can we ask for? Come on, seriously. A bunch of lights, a bunch of extension cords. Like I said, a Husky bag. I mean, looks like a Boomerang. What more can we ask for? That's it. We're healthy. We're out here. We're doing it. Continue to do it. And yes, I don't know what that is. A tripod, I think. Well, like every video, you guys should know by now. All I wish is the best for everybody. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're thinking about it, give me a chance. There's a lot of scrappers out there. You know, hey, no problem. We're all doing our own thing. I can't copy anybody. I can't do things that, you know, I can't do. I only do myself. Well, again, like, subscribe, share. If you like the video, just think about it. No problem. We'll see you on the next one. You guys, everybody, have a blessed day. Keep well. Stay safe. Be careful out there. All right, to the next one. God bless. All right, we're gonna do a scrap run. We're on our way to Mr. Scrappy, I don't remember, Scrappy, whatever it is, our favorite local spot. Uh-oh, something happened here. Oops. Fender bender. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Fender bender it is. All right, so like I said, Mr. Scrap, we're on our way. We're right here. See you in a few. Right, Mr. Scrap, our home away from home. Oh, Mr. Scrap. They treat me good, so why not keep coming back? Oh man. All right.
Something like that gonna throw over there. Because I'm from the magnet to pick it up.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Yeah, something like that right there.
Yeah.
Throw it over there.
All right. Come on. Oh, man. Oh. Like I say, it wasn't that tight when I put it on there. Yeah, just the aluminum. Thank you, boss man. Let me ask you, you drink?
Yeah.
All right. My wife was telling me, how come you don't take something to the guys? I said, well, I got to ask them. I don't want to disrespect them either. You know?
Yeah, I understand.
All right, so you be sure next time I come in here, it's going to be before. Maybe tomorrow.
All right.
The other guy does too?
He's right there. I'm pretty sure you might. Don't know for sure.
Yeah.
Do you drink?
Well, the truck is clean. Let's finish off. Yes. Another day in the books for a Treasure Coast scrapper. All right, 3460. Yeah, no problem. 3460 it is. All right, thank you. All right, let's go. All right, this concludes another episode. 1870 is what we got today. Let's see. Yeah, 18 and 70. So we 340 pounds at 5.5 cents a pound. 1870. Not bad if I say so myself. Let's just keep adding it in there. Yes, yes, yes. All right, well, you know the deal. You come and watch with me. You subscribe. You share. You like. That's all I ask from you. That's it, nothing else. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was just a short scrap run. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for everything. All the subscribers, all my new subscribers, everybody's that with me that has been with me since day one. Thank you. Loyalty. That's number one. Always, always loyalty. And like they said, the truth will set you free. Thank you again for watching. You know, we can't just keep it all serious. Some jokes got to be said. And enjoy yourself every day. Life is short, very short. So on that note, we are calling it. We are saying goodbye. Well, no, not goodbye. We never say goodbye. We say so long to the next one. Never say goodbye. So thank you again. I'm sorry, you know, sometimes I get away and I just talk, but hey, that's just my personality. So God bless everybody. Be safe. Thank you again. Goodbye.